This video will show you how to assign tasks to departments. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you need to assign a task to a department. Click Messages/Tasks in the context menu that shows up. The Messages Tasks panel opens. Select the Tasks tab. Select the work area. The drop-down shows a list of all points of sales created from the admin console. Type in the task that needs to be assigned. Set the due date and time. Click OK. The task details are updated in the panel. You can change the status of the task from the status drop-down. Close the Tasks panel. Alternatively, you can add tasks from the Reservation tab. Right-click the reservation for which you want to add a task. Click View Details in the context menu. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make any changes. Click Task. The Task panel opens where you can add the task in a similar manner as explained earlier. This brings us to the end of the video on how to assign tasks to departments.